Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I'm going to share about poinsettia plant care. So I think you can see this plant in November and December more in market. So because it using for Christmas decoration, I think you can see very beautiful plant. So red color. I think you will think this is flower. Actually this is not flower. Okay, this is leaf only. So you can see that flower small one. I think you can see here one yellow touch and green like small one. So this one will called as bract. Okay, bract meaning that it is a leaf modification. So that green leaf modified like that red color, it helped to actually it reason it attracting pollinators, that's why it changing like red color. So like this leaf are changing during that winter season, but in summer season again that leaf become a green. So in winter only we can see like this, and also red available and pink, white like that white color like we can see in black. Okay, so when we are moving on soil, it needed well-drained soil. Okay, so when we are taking reporting also, we have to use well-drained soil. So 50 percentage of perlite and 30 percentage of coco peat or pet moss, 20 percentage of multi-purpose compost. That is the mixture of soil. Then many people are asking it can keeping in indoor or it needed or we can keeping in outside. Many questions are arising, but I can suggest you we can keeping in indoor also, but this plant needed bright light. That's why we have to keep south facing window side so it will get light. And if we are keeping outside also, no problem, but during morning time I think till 8 hour is it okay, that sunlight, but that afternoon sunlight, I mean from 12 to 2 p.m, that is that plant cannot tolerate, that's why we can shift it to any shade area. Then next this plant like humidity, so we can keep this plant in between other plant also, so it get humidity. And next move on water. When we are applying water, we have to touch the soil. When we are touching soil, like finger dip method, we can use that finger and touch the soil in deeply. So when we are checking if soil is wet, no need to apply water. Now it's wet, so no need to apply water. So when it dry, we can applying water, but we have for next watering also we have to see that complete dryness of soil, then only we can applying water. Then next move on to light. I already tell it needed bright light. Then this one is, this plant is perennial plant, and also I can tell it have it that leaf become yellow. So actually will not apply overwatering, because overwatering will cause for leaves become yellow and shut down also. And when I tell you, when I already tell that winter time only this leaf become, I mean that black like red color. Okay, so in summer time this black will shut down and this all plant become like green color. Then next, if we are keeping in room, our room temperature I think 15 to 28 degrees Celsius is needed. Then is propagation. Propagation is very easy with that stem. From this stem only, just cut that stem and potting in soil. It is help to grow in new plant. But when we are cutting also, we can when we are cutting that stem, we can see one latex. Latex mean white color one discharge, mean milk type. So that is if it touching with our skin, it maybe cause for some irritation. So please take care about that. And I think very good plant, it will survive in indoor and outdoor, but I already tell if we are keeping indoor we have to provide good sunlight. Then next move on disease. I mean sometimes this plant flower will get any pest or other any infection. We can use that neem oil spray. It helps to prevent infection or any pest from pest problem. And next, move on to this plant. I think now going to in December our Christmas celebration. So that time, all people are. I mean, most people are like this plant for decoration. They are buying this plant. That's why from November it available in market. So this much only about this plant. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me. And also, if you know anything about this more than me, please share your comments also. So thank you. So we can see in next video. Bye.